If your school asks for your phone, do you have to hand it over? In Canada, the answer is, it depends. Let's break down your rights. Schools in Canada, including public and Catholic schools, can legally search your phone, but only under certain conditions. According to the Supreme Court of Canada in RVMMR, school staff like principals don't need a warrant, but they do need what's called reasonable grounds, meaning they must believe you broke a rule or law and that your phone contains evidence of it. For example, if students report that you sent threatening messages, your principal may be allowed to check those specific texts, but they can't just go through all your photos, apps, or emails for no reason. The search has to be focused and based on a clear reason. When the police are involved, the rules change. Under RV Fearon, police generally need a warrant to search your phone. There are some exceptions, like if you've been lawfully arrested and there's an urgent need to protect evidence. But even then, the search must be limited and documented. Otherwise, they must go to a judge and get a warrant. Also, if you're under 18 and being questioned by police at school, you have the right to have a parent or trusted adult present under the Youth Criminal Justice Act. Now let's look at a few provinces. In Ontario, principals can search a student's belongings, including phones, if they're acting to maintain school safety. One court allowed mandatory bag checks at prom, but noted that phone searches are more intrusive and need stronger reasons. In Quebec, school staff must also have specific evidence to justify a search. Students are told they don't have full privacy at school, but that doesn't mean school staff can go through your entire device without cause. In British Columbia, some schools include phone searches in their rules, but legal experts say the law is still developing. Any search must still be reasonable and limited. In Alberta, school policies forbid random searches of phones. Staff must have a specific reason, and if police want to search, they're usually expected to have a warrant. Private schools are different. Since they aren't run by the government, the charter doesn't apply the same way. Your rights there depend on the contract and school policy, not public law. So, can your school search your phone? Yes, but only if they have a real reason. If the police are involved, it's a whole other level. Know your rights. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, has your school ever taken your phone?